Welcome back. Today is really exciting. As you can see, I'm wearing tie-dye. Okay, but here's the reason. I am a painter, which means I get paint on my clothes, which is why you always see me wearing like hoodies and t-shirts and, you know, that type of gear, because you get paint on your clothes and you ruin them, right? So what I want to do, and I'm just testing this out for now because I eventually want to get more. So I got these. This is an ice dye t-shirt, and I'm gonna put her link below. It's simply Shae Designs. She's so wonderful. She's a mom, she's a business owner, she's killing it. I love it. These shirts are so comfy, but wait for it. Do you see it yet? Do you see it? Bam! You know who that is? That's me! Oh my god. So this is awesome. It's a good day. It really is. YouTube commented on one of my shorts. Yes, that's right. The YouTube channel on YouTube commented on one of my videos. How cool! Oh, I'm just like over the moon. Yeah, it's exciting. So I am done avoiding doing the things. Well, that's not true. I wasn't avoiding. I did some editing this morning, and then I posted all the things I needed to post, took lunch break, all that stuff. Then I did some content creation, and now it is finally time to paint. So I'm talking really loudly because I hope that when I do my editing that, so I didn't think about this. There are some people outside with lawnmowers and what's that? Leaf blower, and they're really noisy, so I can hear them. I don't know if it'll be picked up on the camera, but exciting. So today we're gonna work on this. I'm gonna see how far I can get, because I did work a lot on it last night, and I feel like things are still kind of wet. If I feel like it's too wet for me to continue on it, then I might bring out my really big canvas and start working on like a base layer, because it's really, really big, and I'm gonna cover the whole canvas in paint, and that's gonna take a while. So that's the game plan. That's the game plan. Yeah, I'm excited. Woohoo! Okay, so let's get to it. Let's get to it. I'm done. So, I did a lot. It looks really good. I didn't do a lot on the actual bird nest, and it's funny because when you really think about what I did in the background, it's like, oh, I just splooshed around a lot of it. I pushed a lot of, I splooshed a lot of paint around. I moved the paint around. But, you know, learning to paint out of focus things, right? So, and now it looks like those things are in the background, and this looks like it's in the forefront, but it's blurry, and that's the main focus, which it's really cool. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to look at a picture and then dissect what it really looks like. Because if you're painting from real life, right, I don't think you would necessarily draw it like this or paint it like this. But with pictures, because of how the lens is. But I don't know. I guess I'd have to paint something up close. I don't know. Anyway, so I think the next step for tomorrow is going to be finishing the eggs, doing some more on the actual nest itself, fixing up some of the branches, and working on the big canvas, really prepping it for the next, because right now it's blue and green and you could still see the underlying yellow colors that were there. So, but anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful creative day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.